The advent of cryptocurrencies and the underlying blockchain technology came about as a completely new phenomenon in the financial industry, birthing the opportunity for the general public to have an alternative means to the traditional investment instrument. With time, these new and digitized currencies, better known as cryptocurrencies, provide investors with the opportunity to make money and get rich and serve as also one of the quickest ways to empty the pockets of an inexperienced investor. Today, cryptocurrencies have raised concerns with regards to their positive and likewise negative impacts on society. The latter is the most trending in recent times based on the high carbon emission rate from mining these cryptocurrencies and not to mention their extremely high volatility. These instabilities arise from the fact that most cryptocurrencies aren't backed by anything. Due to this, the epitome of a good cryptocurrency project is regarded as one that has zero carbon emission rate, in addition to being backed with a tangible asset, like fiat money, gold, or by a utility that is highly sought after, just as the Ripple platform through its native asset XRP. In today's video, we'll be looking at how owning a single XRP coin can create a ripple effect that could change your portfolio's worth like no other coin will. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find a link for that in the video description. And you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular needs, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. If you're looking at the title of this video and wondering how a single XRP coin could change your crypto portfolio for the better, all I can say to you at this point is don't think about it too much, as that would deter you from getting to the actual point of why we set out to make this video in the first place. First things first, reading through the headlines does not mean you have to own just a single XRP coin. What this means, in all honesty, is that owning a single one of these coins opens you up to owning even more, which would in turn have you raking some significant gains once this digital asset sets sail. XRP's utility is the answer. It's that simple. I know at this point you must be expecting some well-constructed and maybe embellished theory that would eventually have you smacking your lips by the end of the video. The answers you actually seek have been staring you right in the face from the very moment you click through the video, or perhaps the very moment you decided to search for Ripple or XRP. Following the SEC lawsuit filed against Ripple last year, XRP's grown from a mere cryptocurrency to a status that could likely see this digital asset becoming the standard for classifying these new asset classes. Why do I say so? Termed the cryptocurrency trial of the century, the courts are likely to replace the Howey test with what would now be termed the Ripple test, considering the former doesn't suffice as a standard procedure for distinguishing between a security and a digital currency. After that, I need not reiterate the impact it would have on the XRP coin. Even amid the ongoing litigation, the price of XRP has continued to increase in direct proportion to the rest of the market, recording some of the most significant gains throughout the current bull season. The possibility of XRP rising to the top tiers across the board is not far-fetched, seeing that XRP had grown to sit at the number 2 spot on the charts back in January 2021, a position it had earlier occupied during its glory days in 2018. If we're to talk about the short-term potential of the Ripple token, you'd agree with me that XRP has come a long way from its worst days, considering it was trading at around just 20 cents last year. According to the current market statistics, XRP is now worth about 62 cents per coin. It has maintained a solid support channel just around the 60 cents price margin as it steadily awaits the much-anticipated bull cycle. On that note, and according to the trending analysis by popular crypto analysts, XRP will peak at this market cycle to a 2-figure price tag, reaching anywhere between $10 to $20 before the end of the year. And as we've highlighted before, that price margin, even though representing a price variation of more than 10 times to the upside, is only a starting point for this digital asset. XRP's price is hovering between 59 cents to its current value of 63 cents as I record this, bearing with this a more than 5% increase to the upside and a daily trading volume of about $1.75 billion, representing an 8% decrease in its trading volume over the last 24 hours. XRP has almost 2% dominance in the total crypto market share, and it currently enjoys an overall market share of over $28 billion, alongside a fully diluted market cap of $61.5 billion, making it sit unrivaled in the number 6 position on the board. On the other hand, Bitcoin is trading at $34,000 with dominance on the entire asset class ranging to the tune of 46%. A lot of the market just recently experienced a bit of a pump, as the overall market capitalization of cryptocurrencies sprouts up by almost 7%, reaching $1.4 trillion. away from its previous market share of 1.3 trillion. Just as we see, a lot of those coins are looking green over the last 24 hours, even though nothing significant has happened within the space yet. However, this is a good sign, with the total cryptocurrency market trading volume ranging between $77.4 billion over the last 24 hours, representing a 26.5% increase. Contrary to popular belief that this SEC lawsuit would hamper the future of the Ripple coin, XRP, while impeding the company's growth rate, and considering all of this data pulled from CoinMarketCap, we could see that cryptocurrencies are flourishing, and XRP hasn't been left out in any way. I know a lot of folks are still in a dilemma given the Ripple SEC lawsuit. What happens next if Ripple should lose the lawsuit has been asked more often than not. Where do we place that in all of this? Well, the truth is, we don't need to. Because Ripple's CEO had earlier hinted about their plans to relocate the headquarters outside of the United States to an economy with a more stable regulatory framework. And if that does happen, then the outcome of the lawsuit wouldn't mean much anymore. To financial experts and crypto traders, the months-long dip across the board is more of a plus than a disadvantage, because the downtrend offers the perfect buy opportunity for those who are not yet involved in the space to delve in right before the market takes flight yet again, while the ongoing bearish trend serves as a perfect buy signal and a good entry point for the knowledgeable few, given we might never get to see this asset at this price range ever again. The current price of XRP scares many newbie investors. It presents a potential sellout option for the ignorant many, who got lured into the XRP market and the crypto space as a result of the increased hype during the periods when Bitcoin was registering its newest all-time highs at $65,000. A trend that had the prices of every other cryptocurrency surging to more significant highs, even higher than that of Bitcoin in terms of percentage growth. That said, XRP registered an increase of about 100% throughout the first quarter of 2021. It went up almost $150 million in the set time frame compared to its previous overall trading volume, which was around $75 million by the end of the fourth quarter of 2020. Similarly, Ripple had hinted that the platform's on-demand liquidity functionality, which is an instrument that aids clients across the Ripple network to settle cross-border payments via XRP without the need for pre-funding as with traditional banking systems, would also be a significant contributing factor to seeing the price of XRP transcend to highs to the tune of $1,000 to $10,000 in the long run. However, just as we always say, due to the nature of volatility associated with this new asset class, and because many of it is still in its formation phase, investing in these crypto assets is highly risky. For that reason, be sure to invest only money that you can afford to lose, not your life savings, not your retirement funds, but spare cash that wouldn't hurt so much once it goes south. And that's because the value of a virtual currency may change substantially at any given point in time and over a short period. Thus, there exists a considerable amount of exposure to risk in any form of investment, including but not limited to cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Be sure to check out our free Discord group and our Patreon via the links in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, let us know. We'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson.